What's the meaning of Achilles' heel? Achilles' heel. Achilles' heel. Achilles' heel. Achilles' heel. Achilles' heel. The term Achilles' heel refers to a person's or organization's single greatest weakness or vulnerability. It is derived from the Greek myth of Achilles, a great warrior who was invulnerable except for his heel. In the myth, Achilles was dipped in the river Styx by his mother, which made him immortal. However, she held him by the heel, which was not dipped in the river and therefore remained vulnerable. This vulnerability eventually led to Achilles' death. In modern usage, the term Achilles' heel is often used to describe a person's or organization's single greatest weakness. For example, a company's Achilles' heel might be its reliance on a single supplier. Or a person's Achilles' heel might be their addiction to alcohol. By identifying and addressing their Achilles' heels, people and organizations can reduce their risk of failure.